Nexo Crypto Savings Pricing explained what you get for your money. Nexo Crypto Savings is designed to help users earn interest on their crypto holdings, but most people get this wrong. It's not just about depositing coins, it's about understanding rates, tiers, and fees. Here's the surprising truth. Nexo doesn't charge any upfront account fees for using its savings program. Instead, the platform earns revenue by lending your crypto to institutional borrowers, and you receive a share of that interest. Depending on whether you hold Nexo tokens in your account, your interest rates can vary significantly. For example, users who hold Nexo can earn up to 12% annually on stablecoins like USDC, while standard accounts typically earn 8–10%. Bitcoin and Ethereum usually yield 3–6%, depending on market conditions. Most people overlook the compounding effect. Nexo compounds interest daily and pays it out monthly, meaning your crypto grows faster than with simple interest alone. You also maintain full control. You can withdraw or exchange funds at any time, though certain withdrawals may be subject to network transaction fees. Transparency is a key benefit. Nexo clearly displays rates for each asset, including the difference between standard and Nexo enhanced accounts. This makes it easy to plan your crypto strategy and decide whether holding Nexo tokens for higher yields is worthwhile. In conclusion, Nexo Crypto Savings is a flexible, low-risk way to grow your crypto portfolio. By understanding account tiers, interest rates, and daily compounding, you can maximize your earnings while keeping your funds accessible. For anyone looking to earn passive income from their digital assets, Nexo turns idle crypto into a growth opportunity without hidden fees.